What happens when Suzuki throws out the rulebook and builds the most powerful RMZ ever? You get the all-new 2026 RMZ 1050, a bike that's not just bold, but downright game-changing. This is Next Gen Reviews, and today we're diving into Suzuki's latest powerhouse that's shaking up the big bore game. Design. From the first glance, the RMZ 1050 screams business. The iconic yellow and blue livery is back, but with sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and improved aerodynamics. The frame is a brand new aluminum twin spar design, lighter, stiffer, and built to handle the torque this monster puts down. Everything about it feels leaner, meaner, and more refined. Performance. Now let's talk power, because that's where this bike really makes headlines. The RMZ 1050 houses a liquid-cooled, fuel-injected 1,050 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine tuned for massive low-end torque and a seriously wide power band. Whether you're blasting through a straightaway or climbing hard-packed hills, this thing rips. Suzuki also nailed the balance, raw power without sacrificing control. Features and technology. The tech package is surprisingly advanced for a bike that still respects its roots. Ride-by-wire throttle, switchable power modes, cornering traction control, and a launch control system come standard. You also get Bluetooth connectivity through the new Suzuki Ride Link app for on-the-fly tuning, diagnostics, and ride data tracking. Suspension? Top-shelf KYB components with full adjustability, front and rear. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 RMZ 1050 overkill? Maybe. But in the best possible way. It's Suzuki's loudest statement yet, and one that hardcore riders won't ignore. If this review fired you up, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more first looks and deep dives. Got a buddy who bleeds Suzuki yellow? Share this with them, they're gonna want to see it. Catch you next time.